I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about fractions, and basically in fractions we are going to learn about how to add and subtract unlike fractions. So before moving ahead with our topic, we'll try some warm-up questions. Here are the questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So basically in these questions, you need to add and subtract like fractions. So when we are using any operator like addition and subtraction with the like fractions, the denominator remains as it is. So if it is 6 with the first fraction, 6 with the second fraction, so the answer as well, that remains 6. And as for the operator given, we need to add them or subtract them with the numerator only. So that means we need to add 7, add 2, which is 9. And we can simplify it as 3 over 2. In the next question, we need to do subtraction. So 9 take away 7 is 2. This gives us 2 over 10, and we can simplify it as 1 over 5. Similarly, we can try these questions as well. So the answer for question number 3 is 5 over 7, and the answer for question number 4 would be 19 over 15. Now we move ahead, but I must say that you are making good progress in adding and subtracting like fractions. Now we're going to learn about unlike fractions, but before moving ahead, we'll learn what is the difference between like fractions and unlike fractions. So basically, like fractions have same denominator, and unlike fractions have different denominators. So as you can see in the example that it gives us 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter. So the denominator is same. Whereas in the next example you can see it's 1/2, 2/3 and 3/5. And you can see that all the denominators are different. So that means these are a set of like fractions and these are a set of unlike fractions. Now we move ahead and we are going to learn how to add them or to subtract them. So there are basically 2 steps. Step 1 says we need to find the LCM of the given denominator. So it is 2 and 3 here, and LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now step 2 says we need to convert the denominator of the given fractions as the LCM. So here we need to times it by 3. Whichever operator and the number you're using with the denominator, you need to use the same operator and the number with the numerator as well. And for this fraction, we do it by times it by 2 and times it by 2. So this gives us 2 new fractions as 3 over 6 and 4 over 6. Now, if we need to add them, what do we need to do? 3 over 6 add 4 over 6. Now, as you can see that these are now like fractions, so the denominator remains the same and we need to add the numerators. So 3 add 4, which is 7. So the answer is 7 over 6. Now we'll try one more question. Say the question is 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, and we need to add them. So you remember the step 1 says we need to find the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 4, which is 4. So we need to convert both the denominators as 4. So 1/2 is 1/2 times by 2 here and times by 2 here, which gives us 2 over 4. And next one is 1 quarter. So we don't need to make the denominator same now because now the denominators are same. So what's next? The next step is now we need to add them. So 1 quarter add the 2 quarter, which gives us 3 quarters. So the answer is 3 quarters. Now we'll try one question with the subtraction as well. So in this question we need to subtract them. We use the same procedure. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So we times 4 over 5 by 7 and 2 over 7 by 5. Then we get 28 over 35. Subtract 10 over 35, which gives us 28. Take away 10 is 18, and the denominator remains the same. So the answer is 18 over 35. Now there are some practice questions for you. You can try these questions. And to try these questions, you can pause the video. So you can pat your back and you can match your answers with the slide. And I must say that you are really making good progress in understanding how to add and subtract fractions with different denominators. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.